Bethlehem was crowded with the people. There was no room in the town that day. Joseph and Mary had nowhere to stay.
They went to a stable where animals lay. The baby was born in a bed made of hay.
Outside of town, watching their sheep, there were some shepherds not quite asleep.
All of a sudden, out of the blue, came an angel with good news for you.
When Jesus was born, God made a star to show where he lay and shine from afar.
Wise men were looking up at the sky. They knew a new king had come from on high.
So what do we call him? This baby. So what do we call him? This baby who came? He came to save us. This special baby changed everything. What is his name? His name is Jesus.
Call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people from their sins. Matthew 1:21.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare and prove. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior is reign. Let men